Hey everybody, Daniel Badre here. I want to take a few minutes to talk about how to become a lawyer in Canada or the United States. So in Canada or the United States, there are a couple of main requirements to get into law school. One is getting an undergraduate degree at a accredited university. So a 4-year honors degree is important. You need to get good grades. B plus to A is considered competitive. So make sure you have good grades. You got to study hard. And show that you are a dedicated student. So that is the first requirement. The second requirement is getting the LSAT score. So you have to have a good LSAT score. The law school admission test is another important requirement to become a lawyer. Usually people will have like 160 and above on their LSAT scores, and that's considered competitive. And those are the two main components of getting into law school. You could also have extracurricular activities, sports or whatever, but the two main things are strong grades and a strong LSAT score. Once you've completed, you've gotten accepted into law school, you're now, you've got your law degree, you now need to do a couple of additional things. In Canada, you need to complete articling, okay? Articling is the mandatory internship for law students to become lawyers. Usually it's 10 months. Sometimes nowadays, because of COVID, I think it was like 8 months. But anyway, it's an 8 to 10 month program that you need to finish in order to get licensed. Then you also need to take the bar exam. Some provinces in the country will require you to take a barrister's and solicitor's exam. I believe other provinces is just one exam, but you need to pass the bar exam. And like I said, you need to complete articling. There might be some, I've heard of some additional courses you can take if you can't find an articling position as a substitute for articling. But either way, you need to have the articling or the substitute for articling plus the bar exam to finally become a lawyer in Canada. In the United States, it's just the bar exam. There is no articling component. So those are all the steps that you need to take to become a lawyer in Canada and the United States. If there's any questions, I'm happy to answer them, but that's how you become a lawyer.